Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video, we will be checking out the brand new Tarmac Works and IXO model collaboration. We have the Porsche 911 GT3 Type 996, and yeah, this is a new casting for this year made by Tarmac Works and also IXO models right here. And yeah, this is apart from the Global 64 series as per usual. So yeah, Tarmac Works, IXO Porsche 996, or sorry, 911 GT3 Type 996. So basically it's the 996 era of Porsche right here. So it does have the Tarmac logo right there. I love the scenic background right here, where it's like the car right next to on a bridge, basically right on the bridge next to the whole river, which is great. I like that. And there's the car right there, Tarmac logo, Global 64 on the top, gray colored box, very nice. Tarmac Works IXO models, and there are your Tarmac Works socials. Over on the bottom right here, Tarmac Works IXO models, and yeah, Porsche 911 GT3 Type 996, just the silver color, and 164 made in China. There is your barcode right there if you need it. So let's go ahead and take a look at our new 996 right here. Quite a fan favorite if you ask me. One of the new castings released by Tarmac, and apparently I think it should still be available over at the Tarmac Works website as of this video. So this is a nice looking car, colored in silver. Oh yeah, the lighting is a bit too bright. Hold on, there you go. So quite a nice looking car, stock 996 if you ask me. So this should be a car that was in its early 2000s, should be, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, it looks great till today. I mean, even in the diecast form, I really like it. It's a very nice looking 996 in the silver paintwork or paint job. Very clean, really like it. There will be another color which just recently announced for pre-order, which would be metallic red. I will hopefully get my hands on that, and yeah, of course we will take a look at the car itself, of course. So yeah, this is a great looking car. Quite a nice set of rims if you ask me. Also in silver paint job for the rims. Headlight and rear light details are just spot on. Love the rear spoiler here on this car as well. Really like the 996 model. It's I would say it's a nice, one of the nice releases of Porsches, like in between the era. Of course, I really like it. We had of course the 996, we had the 997, and this is apparently the 996. 997 is slightly a more modern version of this car. And of course 993 is way more older. This one on the other hand, yeah, it's a great choice of Tarmac to choose this. I actually have a friend that actually owns the 996 in real life, of course. He actually drives and also races as well. It is more to, like, I would say street and road and track legal car 996, and yeah, the car is basically inspired by a UPS livery. If you don't know, UPS, the packaging company, the post company, of course. And yeah, it's a good looking car. I've seen it a couple of times, like of course in real life, of course, the actual car. I mean, it looks great. I like the design and shape of the car, and also it's like yeah, I'd say suitable for the die-cast brands to do so, the die-cast versions of these cars. So yeah, let's take a close look at our 996 right here. So yeah, start off from the rims. Yeah, we do have some gorgeous looking 10-spoke rims right here, colored in sort of like a liquid silver. Rubber tires, love the rims and also the rubber tires right there. Door handle right there on the side. Side mirror, which is plastic, I believe. Yeah. Your fuel cap or gas cap right there above the front wheel right here. Moving on to the front, we do have the headlight details right here, which are nice. Plastic transparent headlights. Porsche logo right there on the hood. And then you do have your front grille. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, front grille with the license plate right there, SPR996. It's very nice. Hood, yeah, hood is pretty clean as always. Windshield wipers, regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, blacked out seats, and of course it is a left-hand drive vehicle. No sunroof, no extra details on the roof or anything. It's still pretty cool. There's a rear window as well. Here it is on the other side, pretty much the same. And then over in the back right here, rear window again. You do have your brake light right here, I think, over on the top. And you can see the like sort of double wing right here. You can see the like first level of the rear wing and then the second level of that rear wing, which is great. And then you have your red colored rear lights right here and brake lights. It says GT3 right there, SPR996. There are your exhaust tips, one on each side, tipped in silver, which is great. And then of course, moving down to the base, you do have a plastic base, IXO models, Tarmac works, Porsche 911 GT3 Type 996, made in China. Love seeing Tarmac introduce the Porsche 996 into the world of Tarmac. Really like it. We've been seeing too much of 911s, 993s, and of course RWBs in a different line. We don't talk about that. I mean, like in general, in general, the releases of Porsches, like not just from Tarmac, also from other brands, they have been releasing the same sort of cars back to back, and we never even got to see a proper 996 like this in a diecast form, which I would say is a good interpretation for a diecast model, if you ask me, for a car like this. I really do like it. Love to see it in a 64 scale model. And yeah, great choice of color as well, silver. I know many people out there owns the real car in silver itself. The red one, however, I think a red or pink color, I'm not sure what color it is actually, will include a chase version colored in chrome pink, which is great. This one, however, yeah, the chase version is still in that raw metal body color, which I'm not a fan of, but still. Yeah, the car is pretty cool nonetheless. Quite a nice looking model. Maybe a cup of tea to many different people out there that are watching this video. And yeah, I really like it too. It's a very fun, nice little model to collect. And yeah, it is quite detailed as well, if you ask me. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Tarmac Works Porsche 911 GT3 Type 996. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this car. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in the videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.